Hi friend. When you have not installed the decompression software, you cannot open files or folders with the tail rar, zip. Today I will instruct you how to install and use the compression and decompression of files with Winrar. You can decompress the files or folders compressed with Winrar or zip, as well as compress files when you want. Steps to using Winrar. 1. Installed Winrar. 2. How to dissolve. 3. How to file. First, to install Winrar, you need to download the Winrar installation file to the machine. Open the web browser, and then enter the word Winrar to search. Here, you click on the winrar.com page. When you go to winrar.com, you look for the download item and click on select. There will be two versions for you to choose to download and install, the 64-bit version and the 32-bit version. Note how many bits the version is. To see how many bits the computer has, you can see the computer information by opening File Explorer, up, selecting this PC, then clicking the mouse to select Property. In the System type, if 64-bit operating system, you download the 64-bit version, and for 86 or 32-bit operating system, you download the 32-bit version. Because the machine is installing the 64-bit version, you will click on the item 64-bit to download. After downloading, it will be located in the lower left corner of the computer screen or in the Download folder. You will click on it to open the installation file. Appear on the window, you choose Yes. Then choose Install to install. Select OK. Choose Done is completed installation. Next is how to remove the file. When you right-click the Winrar folder, it will show up with 4 ways to open the file. When you choose Open with Winrar, it will not uncompress. It will only open the files, which remain in the Winrar folder. When you want to uncompress saved files to the location you would like to save, then you also right-click on the folder or file to decompress. Select Extract Files. Then select the saved folder, which we will save to the E drive. Then select OK. Then the decompression file will be saved in the item you have chosen. You can open the folder that has saved the decrypted file and check. To quickly uncompress, just click the right mouse button on the folder or file and select Extract here, and the files will be decompressed right where you choose to uncompress them. To create a separate folder when decompressing, you select the decompression file and select Extract to a new folder. Then, when decompressing, the files will be saved in a folder. There are 4 ways to file. First, you need to select the file search folder you want to compress, then right-click on the file or folder. To compress the file, you choose the item Add to Archive, then it will also show the place you would like to save the file when compressing. You can also change the file name, then choose the file name. When compressing, you will want to put the password, so select the item Set Password, the setup test, and then select OK. The machine will compress your files or folders again. If you select this item, it will immediately compress and create the compression folder in the compressed place. Because there is a compression file name, it does not appear. We will delete the old compressing file and do it again, and then the file has been compressed. In addition to these 2 items, you can select a matching file or folder and send it by email. So I have instructed you on how to install and use compression and decompression of Winrar files. If you like what you see, share it and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.